guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with two special guests. Me, I'm Matilda, and Henry! He's my younger brother, and he has his own channel called Queen Arabella, so please go and check it out. The reason why it's called that is because of my old channel. And today we have special surprises for you, so let's get on with them. So guys, our special surprise was slime. So it's quite hard because it was made last night and we couldn't find a pot for it. Luckily enough we have one now, so yeah. And that has a lid. So basically we have like Play-Doh. Yeah. So it's like a Play-Doh slime. But if you want to know how to make it, it's flour and water. So if you want to dye it, you could use paint or if you want butter slime, what you do? At the end we might show you how to make it. Might. Let's go get the next one. After I put this back in. So, guys, we're back with the next one. And we have another slime. It's yellow. This one is quite a sticky one. Because we just made it. This is also, all of these slimes are made by the same ingredients, so flour and water. Just really different. Colour dye. Yeah, and that one has two colours. Yeah, so this one has blue paint, and then others have different colours. So we made this just recently. It's really we couldn't find, we didn't have enough pots, so we have to put them into two. So, yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And let's get on with the next one. After I've put the lid on this. Let's see if we can get this to 10 thumbs up and we'll make a slime smoothie or tutorial. 10 likes. So we've got the next slime ready. We have the next slime ready, so it's got 2 in there. Just so we don't have to teleport. So this one is a stiff one to open. So we have 2 in here. You know, I'm not allowed those slimes because those are sticky. Yeah, these ones are sort of sticky, but not that sticky. So yeah, this is a red slime. This one's made by red paint. Then this slime is kind of like a purple colour. And this is a ginormous one. Like, look how big it is. Oh my god. So basically, this one I made last night and I was trying to make it a decent size. This one we wanted to make it like a smaller size. This one, we made humongous because we wanted a really good big one. Somebody's come for you. Who? And then this one was made by the red paint, not the red slime. Not why it's supposed to, and some that's blue, and it kind of made this purple colour. But you can see the difference. So, oh my gosh, guys! I literally just molded them together. lucky. So guys, now we're going to show you a demonstration of how to make it. Not, haha, just kidding. So, remember, if you want to see a tutorial of how to make this, give it a big thumbs up
and comment down below what you want to see next.
In our next video, if you want to see gaming, if you want to see slime, what do you want to see? Damn. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's go. Peace.